Picture this, it's a regular morning in 2025. You're sipping your coffee, scrolling through your phone. Headlines flash about the latest stock surges, AI breakthroughs, and green energy revolutions. You see terms like record-breaking returns and market-shifting innovations. Maybe you've thought about investing before. Maybe you've even opened an account but never clicked buy. And now you wonder, am I missing out? Here's the truth, you are missing out. Not just on potential profits but on the chance to build something extraordinary for yourself and your family. The stock market isn't just about money, it's about creating freedom, choices, and security. It's about saying goodbye to paycheck living and hello to a future where you're in control. But let me be real with you. This isn't a game. The stock market can feel like a jungle, unpredictable, intimidating, even ruthless. It's easy to stay on the sidelines, paralyzed by fear or overwhelmed by information. Maybe you've told yourself, I don't know enough, or what if I lose everything? That mindset stops today. Because here's the secret, every seasoned investor, every Warren Buffett, every Cathie Wood, started exactly where you are now. With questions. With doubt. With zero experience. The difference? They took the leap. They learned the rules, embraced the risks, and played the game. And now, it's your turn. Let me ask you this, what are you waiting for? The perfect moment? News flash, there's no such thing. Markets rise, markets fall, but opportunities are always there for those bold enough to seize them. The difference between those who succeed and those who don't isn't luck, it's action. Think about this, in the last 5 years, people who invested $1,000 in Tesla, Apple, or even a diversified ETF have seen their money double, triple, or more. Meanwhile, inflation has quietly eroded the value of cash sitting idle in savings accounts. The world is changing, faster than ever before. AI is revolutionizing industries. Renewable energy is reshaping economies. Emerging markets are becoming powerhouses. The question isn't whether the market is moving, it's whether you'll move with it. Now, imagine 5 years from today. 2 scenarios, in one, you're still watching from the sidelines, wondering what might have been. In the other, you've built a portfolio, no matter how small to start, that's growing steadily, putting you closer to your goals with every passing day. Which future will you choose? This isn't just a pep talk. It's time to step up, dive in, and claim your place in the market. You have the tools. You have the access. And after today, you'll have the knowledge. The only thing missing is your decision to begin. So, as you sit here today, ask yourself, are you ready to stop watching and start doing? Because the stock market of 2025 isn't waiting for you. The opportunities are out there. With the rise of AI-powered tools, green energy stocks, and shifting global economies, the stock market landscape is evolving faster than ever before. But don't let the complexity intimidate you. Like any skill, learning the stock market requires time, discipline, and a hunger to adapt. And today, I'll give you the blueprint to start your journey with confidence. The stock market in 2025 is not merely a continuation of past trends, it's a dynamic evolution driven by groundbreaking innovations, shifting global power dynamics, and a new era of investor behavior. To truly understand where we are and where we're heading, we must dissect the components shaping the market, technological advancements, changing investor demographics, macroeconomic conditions, and the rise of ethical investing. Let's explore these factors and their implications for the year ahead. Artificial intelligence has revolutionized every aspect of the financial markets. Trading algorithms powered by AI can now analyze terabytes of data in seconds, identifying patterns and executing trades faster than any human ever could. Retail investors have also benefited from this evolution, with platforms offering AI-driven insights and automated portfolio management. Robo-advisors like Betterment and Wealthfront are becoming essential tools for beginners, taking complex financial decisions and simplifying them into accessible, data-backed recommendations. However, the flip side of this technological integration is market sensitivity to algorithmic trading. Sudden, large-scale sell-offs or purchases triggered by these systems can lead to extreme volatility. Blockchain technology, once synonymous with cryptocurrencies, has found its way into the broader stock market. From ensuring secure transactions to enhancing transparency in trading systems, blockchain has redefined how exchanges operate. Stock exchanges like the Nasdaq are exploring blockchain for faster settlement times, reducing the traditional 2-day period to mere seconds. For 2025 investors, this means reduced operational risks and a faster trading experience. However, the adoption of blockchain also raises concerns about regulatory oversight and the potential for new forms of cyber threats. The global economy in 2025 continues to rebound from the lingering effects of the COVID-19 pandemic. Supply chain disruptions have eased, but inflation remains a pressing concern in many regions. Central banks worldwide, particularly the US Federal Reserve, are walking a tightrope, trying to balance interest rate hikes to curb inflation while avoiding a recession. For investors, this creates a unique environment. On one hand, higher interest rates can negatively impact growth stocks, particularly those in the tech sector that rely on cheap capital. On the other hand, sectors like banking and energy often thrive in such environments. Emerging markets like India, Brazil, and Vietnam are becoming increasingly attractive. These nations are experiencing rapid urbanization, digital transformation, and a growing middle class with higher disposable incomes. As the US and Europe face slowing growth, investors are looking to these markets for higher returns. In 2025, we're seeing significant capital inflows into emerging market ETFs and individual stocks, particularly in technology, healthcare, and infrastructure sectors. However, geopolitical tensions, such as trade disputes and regional conflicts, remain a risk that investors must navigate carefully. By 2025, millennials and Gen Z make up the majority of the active investor base. Unlike previous generations, these investors are more tech-savvy, socially conscious, and willing to take risks. They're less likely to stick to traditional investment vehicles like mutual funds and more inclined toward individual stocks, ETFs, and even cryptocurrencies. This shift has profound implications for the stock market. Companies with strong ESG, environmental, social, and governance credentials are seeing unprecedented levels of support, while industries viewed as outdated or harmful, such as fossil fuels and tobacco, are falling out of favor. Platforms like Reddit, Twitter, and YouTube have transformed how retail investors gather information and make decisions. Communities such as r/Wall Street Bets have shown the power of collective action, influencing stock prices in ways that traditional market analysts never anticipated. While this democratization of information is empowering, it also comes with risks. Misinformation and herd behavior can lead to speculative bubbles and sudden crashes, as seen during the GameStop frenzy of 2021. Investors in 2025 must balance the insights gained from these platforms with rigorous independent research. The push for sustainability has reached a tipping point. In 2025, ESG investing is no longer a niche strategy, it's a mainstream expectation. Companies that prioritize environmental sustainability, social responsibility, and ethical governance are attracting significant investments. Renewable energy companies, in particular, are flourishing. As nations commit to ambitious carbon neutrality goals, stocks in solar, wind, and hydrogen energy are seeing explosive growth. For beginners, investing in ETFs focused on ESG themes offers a balanced way to participate in this trend. While ESG investing is gaining momentum, measuring its true impact remains a challenge. Many companies engage in greenwashing, making exaggerated claims about their sustainability efforts to attract investors. This creates a need for rigorous due diligence, particularly for retail investors who may lack access to advanced analytics tools. The tech sector remains a cornerstone of the stock market in 2025. Subsectors like artificial intelligence, cloud computing, and cybersecurity are experiencing rapid growth. Companies innovating in quantum computing and the metaverse are emerging as potential market leaders. For beginners, investing in tech-focused ETFs provides exposure to this high-growth sector without the risk of betting on individual companies. The healthcare sector continues to thrive, driven by innovations in biotechnology, telemedicine, and personalized medicine. Companies working on solutions for chronic diseases, aging populations, and mental health are particularly attractive. Green energy is no longer just a buzzword, it's a necessity. As governments worldwide increase subsidies and incentives for renewable energy projects, companies in this space are positioned for exponential growth. Solar energy companies, battery manufacturers, and electric vehicle makers are some of the most promising investments. The stock market in 2025 isn't without risks. With global economies in flux and technological advancements disrupting industries, volatility is a constant. Beginners must prepare for market corrections and avoid making emotionally driven decisions during downturns. From US-China relations to regional conflicts in Eastern Europe, geopolitical risks remain a significant factor. These events can lead to sudden market disruptions, particularly in industries reliant on global supply chains. While diversification is a cornerstone of sound investing, over-diversification can dilute potential returns. Beginners often spread their investments too thin, reducing their exposure to high-growth opportunities. Before investing, beginners should focus on building a strong foundation of knowledge. Free resources, including online courses, podcasts, and books, are readily available. Platforms like Investopedia and Khan Academy offer excellent starting points. Utilize robo-advisors and investment apps to simplify portfolio management. Tools like Acorns, Robinhood, and Webull cater specifically to beginner investors, offering user-friendly interfaces and valuable insights. Short-term trading may seem tempting, but it's a high-risk game, especially for beginners. Adopting a long-term investment strategy reduces the impact of market volatility and leverages the power of compound growth. The stock market is a gateway to financial freedom, but it's not for the faint-hearted. It requires courage, resilience, and a hunger to learn. In 2025, the opportunities are endless, but the question remains, will you seize them? Remember, every great investor started somewhere. Warren Buffett bought his first stock at age 11. Elon Musk invests millions into his own companies, taking calculated risks. You, too, have the potential to build wealth that lasts generations. So, take that first step. Open an account, make your first investment, and commit to learning every day. The stock market isn't just a place to make money, it's a place to grow, evolve, and secure your future. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please show your support by hitting that like button and subscribing to the channel. Sharing this video with your friends would also mean a lot. I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. Your feedback helps me create even better content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.